Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be creating a 3D nail design and I'm gonna be using this product from Born Pretty. This is a product that you can mold with your hands and create different scenes. So I took this opportunity to create a Halloween 3D nail design. I'm using wax paper to be able to roll or mold this product around here. I'm using a small bottle that I have with alcohol as a rolling pin, just like if you were making pizza at home. But before I continue to create some shapes, I realized that I had to paint the nails. So I'm gonna be using this beautiful color from Nail Reserve. And this color is so pigmented that I'm just going to apply one coat. I already applied base coat to the nails. And I'm gonna be curing this for 60 seconds.
Okay guys, so now we're painting the nails of a nude base. And you want to make sure you just cover the whole entire nail because this will be our base color for the design that we're gonna do. So yeah, we're just painting the nails and we're painting them and we're painting them and we keep on painting them. And you always have to keep painting them because it's not right. And this color is kind of like iffy. I don't know how I feel about this nude color. It like, kind of looks like milk, but like spoiled milk, you know? But yeah, so we're painting them and we don't stop painting them and we keep on painting them. And Jesus Christ, when is this lady gonna stop painting the nails? Oh my god, she's taken 10 years to paint 5 fingers. I would not hire her in real life. Okay, she's painting them and she's painting them and she's finally done, alright? And now we're curing them, okay? We're gonna bake them. We're gonna bake them. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Beautiful. Now they're done. Alright, so now we got some pink stuff on the thing. So we're gonna take the pink stuff. And what are we gonna do with this pink stuff? Oh, scary pumpkin. We're gonna make a scary pumpkin out of it. Yeah. That's what we're doing with the pink stuff. We're making a nice little scary pumpkin. We're gonna put the little scary pumpkin right there. Right there. Now we're molding the scary pumpkin. We're molding the scary I know it doesn't look like a pumpkin yet, but it's a pumpkin. Trust me, it's a pumpkin, guys. Now we're molding it onto the nail. And, yeah, there's not really much to say. It's just like a pink blob on, like, a nail. Like, I don't know what else I can really say right now. So, like, we're just, like, molding it and molding it. Oh, okay. Now we're molding the pink stuff even more. What are we doing with this one? Oh, okay. Oh, another circle. Oh, this is another pumpkin, guys. Okay, guys, this is another pumpkin. I think I should mention that. We're making another pumpkin right now. It's on the nail.
Give it a phone.
Yeah. Anyways, yeah. This pumpkin's fat. This is a big pumpkin. This is a fat pumpkin. Oh, wait. I think this might actually be the skeleton. Hold on. I don't know if this is a really fat pumpkin or the skeleton. I guess we'll figure out later in the video. But yeah, now we're molding some more. What are we making? What are we making, guys? Let's see. Okay, we're flattening it. Is it just another pumpkin? Is it another pumpkin?
No.
Let's see what this is, y'all. It's like a Kinder Surprise egg. You never know what you're gonna get. And it's another pumpkin! Woo! We got 3 pumpkins, guys. Oh, wait. Spoiled it for you. I got 2 pumpkins, guys. Oh, my God. My dog won't stop licking me.
Thank you so much to my daughter for that. And the next shape that I was creating over here was a brain, but it didn't come out the way I like it, so I just decided to change it to something else later on the video. And that came out much better. It was a mummy. And here I am trying to create a ghost, and instead of painting the eyes, I found these googly eyes on the craft store and I decided to use them. So hopefully they don't look too bad on the ghost. I think it turned out more like an alien looking. I'm placing the little ghost onto the nail. The nail has still the sticky layer. Look how cute that looks. And once the sticky layer is still there, the product will attach to the nail with no issues. And I'm using the silicone product here just to mold it around and place it where I want. Once I'm finished with this, I'm going to color the whole ghost in white. I'm gonna go around the eyes with the liner brush just to make sure I don't paint over the eyes. And to finish the little ghost, I'm just drawing a mouth. And next I'm gonna start painting the pumpkins, and I'm gonna be using solid cream gel. This cream gel that I'm using is from a brand called Burberry. I reviewed this already on my channel a while ago. If you guys would like to go and see how these gels work, they're actually really nice. And I created already the stem of the pumpkins, and I went ahead and I started painting a little face just to make it look really cute. And on the next pumpkin, I'm gonna show you exactly how I created the stems with this product from Born Pretty. Now I'm painting a green pumpkin with another of the solid cream gels, and I'm gonna be curing this for 60 seconds. And next I'm gonna show you how I created the stems with this moldable product, and just using a very small amount and cutting this in half, and one tiny piece is gonna go to one pumpkin, and I'm placing it in a place where will make the pumpkin look more 3D. I'm gonna create a little bit of texture. I painted a little stem with a mix of green and black gel polish just to make like a darker green. And once I was done with this, I painted around the stem to make it look like the section where the pumpkin is, like it's like the roots or something like that, where the lines come down. Once I end up doing all the lines, I went ahead and I created a very cute face for this pumpkin. And I cured everything for 60 seconds. Next, I have a little witch hat that I'm creating for the pinky nail, and I'm attaching first the base, and then I'm gonna be curing that section once I mold it, and then I will attach the top part of the hat, and I'm gonna be painting everything in black and adding as well some details to make it look more like 3D. Okay guys, now for the final nail, I'm gonna be working on the mommy nail. And as you can see here, I'm stretching this product, and then I'm gonna be creating like a wrap type of look because mommies are like in a wrap. And I'm gonna be leaving a small section there for some eyes that are gonna be peeking through. And then because these nails are already on coffin shape, you can see here how nice this is looking. I just molded everything and I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds. Then I apply a layer of white gel all over. I cured that for 60 seconds and I went in with black gel polish just to give it some details, especially around the area where the eyes are gonna peek in through. I will add a couple of dots for the eyes and this nail will be complete. I finished applying the top coat and now I'm just gonna do some reshaping on the free edge and making sure that the nails are nice and clear on the bottom as well. And I'm going to apply them with a sticky tab for press-on nails just to show you the final results. And these are the final results for today, guys. This nail came out so cute. I had so much fun creating these nails and my daughter participated as well and it was so nice and so cute. I'm so glad that she was here with me. And as you can see, these nails are so cute. These 3D shapes actually came out really nice. I'm gonna be using this product again soon during this Halloween season. And let's see the rest of the nails. We have the orange pumpkin, and then we have the cute mommy, and then we have the little ghost. I'm not sure if it's more like an alien, but it's cute. And then we have on the pinky finger another tiny pumpkin with the witch hat. That's so cute. Thank you everyone for watching my video, and this is it for today, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a nice day, guys.